Some of you did not understand the sum, so I'm doing it for those who did not do or who could not do, but some of you have done. That's very great. Congratulations to those who understood, and very well done. Listen, if you don't solve the sums from the beginning, whatever we have done, you will not understand suddenly. Okay, so I will not name the person who asked me, but it's quite simple. All right, but it's okay. That's my duty to do it, so I'm doing again. See this question. This is what your homework was. All right, some of you have already done. This is the solution. Let me explain one by one. Dividend. How did we calculate dividend? It's 7% of rupees 10. 7% of rupees 10. Okay, but the total number is 1000. So 7% of 10 is rupees 7. But 1000 number. Okay, the number of shares is 1000. So total dividend you're paying is 7000. Is it okay? That's how I calculated. Next is number of years. Number of years n. Okay, it's given 5 years, so I have written 5 years. Alright, so we are clear with 7000 and 5000 also. Next, we are talking about maturity value, means at the maturity how much you are paying. So they said during the maturity time you will repay at par. At par means same value. So what is the value of one share? It is rupees 100. But how much you are going to pay total? Total 100 per share, but you have 1000 share. So 100 into 1000. So total you're going to pay as maturity value is 1 lakh. How did I calculate this? Okay, using these two. Okay, multiplication of these two. For one share you're paying 100 rupees. For 1000 share you'll be paying 1 lakh. I hope this is okay. Next is net proceeds. How much are you receiving? Net proceeds means how much are you receiving? Alright, so how much are you receiving? You're receiving rupees 100 per share plus premium also. Is it okay? So 10% premium of 100 is 100 you're getting for sure. 10% of it you're also getting. That means you're receiving rupees 10 extra. Okay, so altogether you'll be receiving rupees 110. Okay, rupees 100 from here. Okay, and rupees 10 for the premium. So total you're paying 110. All right, so that is only for one share, but you have 1000 shares, so simply you will multiply by 1000 with this value. You'll get 1,10,000. I hope this is okay. Then once you understood these values, you can easily put here and you will be getting this value. All right, so dividend we got 7000. I explained you rupees 7% of rupees 100 is 7, but you have 1000 shares, so 7000. All right, then maturity value you're paying at par means 100 rupees for one share. For 1000 shares you'll be paying 100 into 1000, that is 1 lakh rupees. All right, so we are clear with that also. All right, and net proceed is premium plus face value 110 rupees. For 1000 share it will be 1,10,000. All right, now the way book has solved I have explained you. If you ask me, so how would you solve? I'll keep things very simple. I will try to eliminate this 1000 shares because they asked us to calculate the cost of preference shares. So you calculate for one share or 1000 share, doesn't make any changes. Okay, it will be same thing for cost of preference shares. So what I'm doing, I am eliminating this 1000. Okay, the number of shares I'm eliminating. Okay, I will not even see this. Now how did I do? I use the same formula. Okay, I'm using the same formula here and putting the values. All right, so let's say dividend. So dividend is 7% of one share, so rupees 7. I have used rupees 7. Number of years 5 years, so I have written rupees 5 here. This is also okay. All right, next is maturity value. At par means per share I'm going to pay, at par means 100 rupees. Okay, same value. Net proceedings. All right, net proceedings, so I'm receiving 100 rupees plus premium 110 rupees because I'm just taking one share. Okay, for one share. Then same values at the bottom also, in the denominator also, you can see, and then I calculated, and you can check same value will come. Alright, so what you can do is, once you have the value for share or per share, no need to think of these number of shares. Okay, these are given to you just to take the long cut method which book people have shown. Alright, but you are actually asked to calculate cost, which will be coming in terms of percentage. So you take 1000 shares or 5000 share, 5 share, or just 1 share, answer will be in terms of percentage the same value. Alright, I hope you understood. If in case you did not understand, yes, one more thing. Okay, most of the people make a mistake here. So 1 lakh minus 100 minus 110, so it will be minus 10. Remember this. Okay, and because of this is minus 2 also. Okay, because I calculated this, so minus 2, and then 7 plus minus 2, so it will be 7 minus 2, plus minus gives you only minus. Okay, and that's the reason why I'll be getting 5 here. Okay, in the denominator, 105 into 100, I'll get 4.76. I hope this is clear. Okay, in case you don't understand, you can ask me.